Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. The show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today is March 20th, 2021, and I'm your host, Dan. We have a rumor about Morgan Stanley acquiring BitHum, a Korean cryptocurrency exchange, at a $2 billion valuation. Now, Morgan Stanley recently just announced that they're going to allow some of their high net worth individuals to invest into Bitcoin via some funds from Galaxy Digital and NYDIG. And now the rumor is they're going to be buying an exchange. So it looks like they are bullish on the cryptocurrency scene. Visa is going to be enabling Bitcoin usage on their cards. They want to do two things: enable the purchase of Bitcoin and Visa on their Visa cards, and then secondly, working with some Bitcoin wallets to allow Bitcoin to be translated into a fiat currency. And this would enable about 70 million merchants to accept Bitcoin as payment. And that's good that we're seeing this, that they're able to adopt and be open and friendly to crypto, because they are seeing the disruption and innovation, and instead of fighting it, they are adopting it and being cooperative with it. So I think Visa and MasterCard are very smart on this. I am an investor in MasterCard, so it's good to see that they quickly pivoted towards the cryptocurrency scene. B2, they announced a few weeks ago that they bought Ethereum and Bitcoin in their treasuries, and now we're seeing that they bought more. They bought another 16,000 Ether and another 386 Bitcoin in their treasuries. Again, they're the first company to be actually holding Ether in their treasury. The other companies we heard about, MicroStrategy, Square, Tesla, only hold Bitcoin. We have a scathing report here from BOA on Bitcoin. It's no surprise. I mean, BOA is the enemy here. It's why Bitcoin was created. So to see BOA spitting ill will on Bitcoin is not a surprise, but it's very good to see the other side, including the bad side of the narrative, right? You always want to have a good perspective. If you have access to the full report from BOA, please link it for me or share it with me. Thank you. Coinbase updated their S1 filing to go public. There's going to be 115 million common shares of Coinbase available. So all eyes are on this IPO right now. It's going to be the largest crypto-related IPO. It's looking like it's going to come out of the gate above $100 billion market cap. That's amazing. The SEC is reviewing Thenx Bitcoin Etf application again. They have 45 days to review it. This Thenx Bitcoin ETF has been in the works since the last Bitcoin bull cycle in 2017 and 2018. So hopefully this is the year that we finally get the approval. And we saw that Canada approved the Purpose Bitcoin ETF. Hopefully that will give a boost to this one. Thenx is legit, and I trust that these guys are going to deliver on a great product. And now that Gary Gensler is at the helm of the SEC, hopefully the stars align for the approval of the Thenx Bitcoin ETF. On that note, I want to comment on Grayscale's GBTC, their Bitcoin Trust product. If there is an approval for the Bitcoin ETF, that might have a negative implication on GBTC, because GBTC was the only flavor available for people who want to invest in Bitcoin in their brokerages and retirement accounts. Now with the Bitcoin ETF, this is going to give people another avenue to invest in Bitcoin in their accounts. So that might have a negative effect on GBTC in the short term. I think long term, they should be okay. People are going to see that it's trading below the NAV, and there's an arbitrage opportunity that will quickly be closed. And we'll see what Grayscale will decide to do. Those guys are very smart. Barry Sanders and their Grayscale team, it looks like they hired a whole ETF team, so maybe they can convert the trust into an ETF. So we'll see. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.